Konnichiwa, Isa desu, yoroshiku onegaishimasu. So, for today, let's discuss what the solar system is in Japanese and in Tagalog. I had to redo this topic since I got some information wrong. Sumimasen. Now, ikuzo, let's go. The solar system in Japanese is called Taioke. Meanwhile, it's Sistemang Solar in Tagalog. The sun per se is called Tayo or Araw in Tagalog. Stars, Hoshi or Tala. Moon, Suki or Buwan. Meteor or shooting star, Ryusei, just like the Japanese star Yokohama Ryusei. And this is also called Bulalakaw in Tagalog. Universe, Uchu or Sandaigdigan. Alien, Uchujin, Banyaga, kakaiba or taga-ibang planeta in Tagalog. Now, let's head to the planets. Mercury, Suisei or Mercurio. Venus, Kinsei o Venus. Earth, Shikyu, Daigdig or Mundo. Mars, Kasei or Marte. Jupiter, Mokusei or Jupiter. Saturn, Dosei, as you have learned from the Japanese drama Hanayori Dango or Boys Over Flowers. In Tagalog, this is called Saturno. Uranus, Tenosei or Urano. Neptune, Kaiosei or Neptuno. I hope you learned something from me. Isa dashita. Jamatane. Paalam. Bye-bye.